This video is sponsored by Tops. Hey guys, it's Chelsea, aka Little ABC. Today, we're going to be doing the Don't Choose the Wrong Jumbo Egg Slime Challenge! Yay! With Jonathan, my friend. So, in each jumbo egg, there's going to be a slime ingredient to make your slime. And if you choose the wrong one, you can't really make a slime. So in each egg, there's going to be a Tops collectible toy. And the two that we have are I Heart Llamas and Garbage Gang Buckets. So guys, me and Jonathan actually only one each, and they're both different. So I love I Heart Llamas and he likes Garbage Gang Buckets. So yeah, that's good, because if I get a llama, he doesn't want to trade because he doesn't like the llamas. So I'm good with that. Do you like the llamas? No. He doesn't like them. Okay guys, so let's get started with the challenge! Yay! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! No! Yes, I'm going first. So I'm going for a pink egg. Yeah! I got pink glue! I got pink glue! I don't know if I should be happy about that. Jonathan's clearly not happy. But I got pink glue and I got the I Heart Llamas! So there are 12 to collect, and each of them have different faces and a different color like fur. And guess what guys? They're fun. Oh my gosh, guys! I'm gonna open it. I'm so excited. 3, 2, 1. I got Sky, guys, and she is adorable, guys. So I pick orange, and inside of it is red glue and a garbage can. The Garbage Gang bucket with slime. So yeah. So I got an orange color slime and an orange egg. Yay! You got twins. I didn't get twins, but I got a cute fuzzy llama. So inside of this slime, I got... You got a brown baby. What is that? I got a baby werewolf. It's very tiny with his little bone there. Oh my gosh. And there's his face. The slime that comes with it is very jiggly. Very, very jiggly. It's watery. And it's watery. And it's not really that sticky. Which is good. Yeah, which is good. Guys, they're the original Ghost Gang, but they've been slimed with this. There are 12 disgusting Garbage Gang creatures to collect. And there's a disgusting Garbage Gang creature for everyone. And there's some glue on his head. Okay guys, so now it's my turn to pick again. So I'm gonna pick this purple. I'm scared. What? I got buttons! I got chocolate buttons! Ooh. I'm gonna eat one. Oh, can I eat one? There you go. Thanks. That's so good. Guys, but I have to add this to my slime. They haven't got any toy in it because there's food in it, so we'll add some in it. Chelsea, what colour is yours? Oh, yours one's different. Oh my gosh, Jonathan, look at this. Cool. Okay, I'm gonna save these for later. I'm gonna pick blue. And then shake it. Oh, he got blue glue! And inside of it is blue glue. So I'm gonna get purple because blue and red makes purple. Yeah. And I got another garbage can. So let's see which garbage gang I get. So I got a person sitting down like an egg and a chick coming out of his head. And And I got the yellow slime this time.
My buttons are not going well in this.
And I got a blue one this time.
Ooh. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna pick my next egg, and it's gonna be this egg. Oh, I got purple glue with another I Heart Llamas. Guys, I'm getting all the I Heart Llamas and I'm so happy about it. So guys, I got some purple glue, which is like glittery, and I also got some I Heart Llamas. So let's open up my I Heart Llamas. It's called Cuddles. It's so cute, guys. I love llamas. Adorable, guys.
So this time I'm going to pick the green.
Ooh, nice choice.
I got clear glue.
He has more slime than me right now.
And the garbage gang once again.
He's getting all the garbage gang, and I'm always getting like the high hot llamas. I love it. Guys, actually, you know, I'm thinking I'm choosing all the girly ones. He's always choosing the boy ones, and I'm like getting all the girly stuff, and he's like getting all the boy stuff.
So I got a yellow one again, and what color? What
Ooh, this is a
creature do I get this time? So now I'm gonna pour the glue in.
It's gluey, isn't it?
Whoop, 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 whoop.
Guys, so now I was gonna go for pink, but I don't think I should, so I'm gonna go for orange.
Whoa, Chelsy, look at mine.
Whoa, I got instant snow, guys!
Whoa. Can I feel?
Yeah, definitely. I'm having so much fun here, guys, but now I'm gonna add it to my slime.
All of it. Just do it. Wow. Mine looks...
It's so powdery! It's like cloud slime!
Wow.
And now I'm gonna open my llama. What color did I get? I got a green llama! Guys, I got Lewis. It's a great name. That's all I have to say. The one that I really want to get as well is Harriet or Flossie, because it looks like a watermelon. But now guys, I'm gonna be like mixing this in. Well, I need more glue.
So I'm going to pick the green. I got the green glue. And a llama! So there's the I love llamas.
I want to feel that llama, but I really want to see
So
if
I'm gonna open it. It's the pink one.
I wanted that one. That's Flossie.
It's
Flossie.
Flossie.
I love Flossie. He got Flossie, my favorite. But I also have my second favorite, which is Lewis. Because
And I got green
glue.
glue. So I'm gonna pour it in now.
Guys.
Ugh.
I'm gonna pick this one. I don't know.
Ooh, what did you get?
I got eggs.
Ooh, Chels.
Oh, they're chocolate eggs. Do you want to eat a chocolate egg?
Oh, thank you.
Smell it.
Oh, it smells nice. Whoa.
I'm making an Easter slime, guys.
Oh, look at mine. It's turning into brown. So mine turned a little darky, nighty, glowy, sprinkly stuff here.
It's brown, guys. Mine is a weird Easter slime.
Whoa.
I can't even play with it like that. I just like...
Ew, how do you supposed to play with it, Joe? So I'm gonna pick the yellow.
I wasn't
I got a yellow glue.
I think I know which one I'm going for.
And another garbage gang. So let's open the garbage gang.
So guys, if you don't know, there's one more pink left, so that's the one I'm gonna go for.
Ooh.
You got an orange again!
I got a baby alien. So now, and I got a yellow one, so I'm gonna pour it in now.
Because it's the last pink egg. So guys, what did I... Oh, I got marshmallows! You want a marshmallow?
No, thank you.
Are you sure?
I hate marshmallows.
I don't have enough glue, guys. 3, 4. 4.
Few. A few full.
Guys, I did not get any more glue. That's sad. Oh, Molly, the llama. Molly, the llama.
So I picked the last one, the blue one, and I got...
Switch up!
No! Switch up! No. Joe.
Yeah, I get glue. Feels so lucky, guys, because Jonathan was really happy with his, but now I have it. So, yeah.
So I got a fat vampire.
And nothing else. But the paper says switch up. So we switched. I'm kind of happy actually because I really wanted a slime because mine won't really turn into slime.
Another yellow one.
Okay guys, time to activate. It's like this really weird colored slime, but it's like really nice to play with and it's like a regular slime that you can make, so I'm having fun with it. It's pretty big. Not bigger than that though. At least it's not a lump of instant snow.
And this one it's like coming to slime, but
it's not exactly slime.
Wonder what these lines are.
They're
strings.
dried glue.
Yeah,
they look like dried glue.
Dried glue. And loads of instant
Snow.
I
added the whole packet.
And yeah.
And this is really fun. Guys, comment down below which is your favorite. Is it hashtag weird colored giant slime or hashtag the Easter instant snow slime? If you want any of these top stories, they are available at your local newsagent, the grocery store, or in the website in the description box down below.
Ugh.
And guys, my favorite out of all of these llamas is actually this one. Which is your favorite character from there?
My favorite character is actually my first one.
Guys, make sure you check out at my top for more information down below. Which is your favorite out of the I Heart Llamas and out of the garbage gang slime buckets? Anyways, guys, please hit the notification button so that you don't want to know when you come down. Anyways, guys, bye. Have a good day.
Oh.